We are doing some sums that is related to the basic of what amount will go to your profit and loss appropriation account. So can you tell me, when I make my profit and loss appropriation account, I have the profit that comes over here, which is transferred from the profit and loss account. Yeah? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay. This profit that comes over here has to be the profit after what? Has to be the profit after the interest on loan. It has to be the profit after rent.
Yes.
Yes. So the profit that comes to the profit and loss appropriation account has to be the profit that is after deducting all the expenses, after interest on loan and after rent. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So they want me to determine the amount that is to be transferred to the appropriation account. They have not asked me to prepare any account. So I just need to determine the amount that has to go to appropriation account. Come on, listen. Nirmal and Pawan share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Firm had given loan to Pawan. Come on, tell me, if the firm gives loan to a partner, is there any provision for that loan? If the firm is giving loan to a partner, is there any provision for that loan?
No, miss.
Bakir,
Mm,
if the
I don't think
firm
so. No.
give loan to a partner, there is no provision in the partnership deed for that loan. However, when the thing happens vice versa, if the partner is giving loan to the firm, in that case, the firm has to give 6% interest. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So the amount that would go to the appropriation account would not be the interest on loan for this, but interest on loan for this has to be considered. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So firm had given loan to Pawan 500,000. Interest was charged 10%. Do I need to do any adjustment for this amount?
No.
Yeah.
If they've given me interest, then I have to charge because it's not silent. Okay.
Yeah.
That means the firm is going to receive this interest. First thing you need to be very clear. Firm will receive.
Yes.
Let's read ahead. Okay. So to Pawan, how much loan the firm has given? 5 lakh. Interest 10%.
Yes.
And
10%.
on 1st April, that means for the full 12 months. Okay. This you need to ensure that this the firm will receive. Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
If
Yes,
the
ma'am.
firm will receive, that means it is income for the firm.
Yes.
If the firm will receive, that is its income for the firm. Okay, fine. Just keep this in mind. Read the next part. Firm has taken loan of 2 lakh from Nirmal. Now, this is our normal thing that we always focus on. Firm taking loan from partner. So, firm has taken loan from whom? Nirmal.
Nirmal.
How much?
2
2
lakh.
2
lakh.
lakh.
How much percent?
10.
10%.
Not given.
6%.
Is there anything that is mentioned over here?
No.
If nothing is mentioned, loan by the partner to the firm. How much percent?
6.
6%. Very good. When was this loan given?
1st December
Yes, for
2023.
4 months.
December, Jan, Feb,
Yeah.
March, 4 months. So into 4 by 12. Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
So I have
Yes.
one expense for the firm and I have one income for the firm. Are you with me?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Firm has a loss of how much? 10,000.
Yeah.
Yeah? Firm has a loss of how much?
Yes. 10,000.
10,000. So if you see over here, if I make the profit and loss account, I will know the amount that is to be going to the appropriation account. So firm has a loss of 10,000. This is loan from Nirmal.
Nirmal.
And this is the income for the firm where the firm had given loan to Pawan at 10%. Okay. So when I
Yes,
make
yes.
the account, I can get the amount that is transferred. This is the logical method. But if you use a little bit of brains, firm has a loss of how much? 10,000. If I have an
Yes.
expense, the firm has an expense of interest on loan, it will increase the loss by 4,000. So 14,000 and the firm has income of how much? 50,000. So
Minus
that will reduce the loss. So the firm has net income of 36,000. So here the question was just they wanted to determine the amount that is to be transferred to appropriation account. So if you want to determine the amount to be transferred to appropriation account, you have to remove the charge against profits. And you have to add the income of the firm to get the amount transferred. I'm putting the video on pause. Try to digest, read, make the account, and do the otherwise also. Okay. We'll talk about income for the firm and expense for the firm before I discuss the question number 12. Okay. Understand, I have a partner and this partner has given loan to the firm. If the partner has given loan to the firm, so interest on loan will become an expense for the firm. If nothing is mentioned, what is the percentage?
6%.
6%. And where will this appear? Interest on loan, where will it appear?
Profit and loss account.
It will appear in the profit and loss account debit side. Okay. It is expense for firm, or I could say it is charge against profit. Are you with me? I am
Yes.
continuously repeating these points so that it drills in your brain. It is expense for the firm. It is charge against profit. Expense for the firm. Charge against profit. With me?
Yes,
But
yes.
if something happens vice versa, that means the firm has given loan to the partner. So this interest on loan will become what? Firm has given loan to the partner. So this interest on loan will become what for the firm?
There won't be any interest given
If
by the
something
partner.
is mentioned, then
Then it
this
will
will
be
become income for the firm. See, if the firm has given loan to the partner, that means a partner will pay interest to the firm.
Yes.
Yes. Partner will pay interest to the firm, so it will be income for the firm. So if income for the firm, only if mentioned, it becomes the income for the firm and it will come on the profit and loss account credit side. Are you with me?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Profit and loss account is a nominal account which says debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. I am asked to pass journal entries. Okay. Now I will read again. Ankit, Bhanu, Charu are partners. They share profits and losses equally. Everyone has a capital of 250,000. Can there be any journal entry for this? They are just giving information that their capital is this much, profit sharing ratio is this much. Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. On 1st of October, Ankit and Bhanu gave loan of 250,000 to the firm. Ankit and Bhanu gave loan of 250,000 to the firm. Partner has given loan to the firm. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Partner has given loan to the firm. Interest on loan is an expense for the firm. It will come on the profit and loss account debit side. With me,
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Ankit and Bhanu both have given loan. Please do along with me if you want to. Both have given loan of 250,000. Which date? Which date?
On
October,
October 1st,
October,
2023.
November, December, Jan, Feb, March. How many months? 6.
for 6 months.
Now you will go and check for the percentage. What is the percentage?
6%.
If they given any percentage,
No, not yet.
if not given any percentage, so I will automatically charge 6%. So expense for the firm with regards to Ankit will be how much? 250,000 into 6% for 6 months, 7,500. Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
7,500 for Ankit, 7,500 for Bhanu. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So this is charged by the part. This is charged to firm and will be given to the partners. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Now, tell me what is the difference between charge and paid? Is there any difference between charge and paid? Is there any difference between charge and paid? Bakir? Bakir?
Yes, miss.
Is there any difference between charge and paid?
Charge, like the person has not yet paid.
Okay, I will charge you fees, but have you all paid me?
Okay, no, no.
No. So here they have, if you see properly, there is no clear mention about paid. It is saying charge, 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 and charge. Can you see that? So when there
Yes,
is no clear information about paid, you cannot pass the entry to bank. Are you with me?
Okay.
Are
Yes,
you
miss.
with me? Okay,
Yes.
fine. So the interest on loan is going to be charged. Can you give me the journal entry for this interest on loan? I'm not going to pay. First, bank entry is avoided because they have only mentioned about charge.
Yes.
So tell me the two places where the interest on loan will appear.
Uh,
Two places where interest on loan would appear.
Ankit and Bhanu.
It appears on the profit and loss account which side?
Debit. On the debit side.
On the debit side. And partners capital account which side?
Credit side.
On the credit side. By now this should be memorized to you all. Profit and loss debit, partners capital credit. Profit and loss debit, partners capital credit. Give me the journal
Yes.
entry.
Interest on loan is debit.
Profit and loss account which side?
Debit side.
Profit and loss account on the debit side.
Okay, so you will say profit and loss debit.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yeah.
To what?
Yes, miss.
To one. No.
To interest on loan.
To interest on loan.
To interest on loan. But now here the loan is from two people. To interest on Ankit loan, to interest on Bhanu's loan. So the first entry that would be is profit and loss account debit to interest on Ankit loan to interest on Bhanu's loan. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Okay, 7,500, 7,500 and 15,000. What would be the second entry? First place it appears in the profit and loss account debit side.
Yes.
Second place it appears is where?
This partner's capital account.
Partners capital account credit side.
Credit side.
What will you write?
This
To loan by Ankit
to
account.
loan and Bhanu account.
Sorry. Yeah, to loan by Bhanu account because it is going to appear on the profit and partners capital account credit side.
Credit side.
Yeah. So what will be debited?
Yes.
The debit entry would be interest on loan. Interest on loan account debit 15,000. First, I would want you to complete the first part of this question. Try to get the journal entry, the logic of the journal entry, the charge against profit, the income for the firm, expense for the firm. Then I will take you to the next part. Just remember, we have complete only up till here. Okay, do it. I'll wait for you all. Send me photographs.